Okay.
Rat snake drop patterns.
Rat snake.
Rat snake.
Rat snake's poisonous? Ma!
No. The only type of venomous snake in Michigan is a rattlesnake, and they don't live in it. They don't live in it.
Snakes.
Snake, there's some tadpoles in there. Snake. We caught him. My dad found him next to the green boat over there. Lulu, stop. He went savage and went after the tadpoles.
Probably would fly savage, and then we could
Go get more tadpoles, Ryan.
Okay.
Benjamin, I summon you. We should build him a bigger habitat.
We should build him a bigger habitat.
So we're pulling it. Okay. Now we're gonna put the rocks in. It probably doesn't. Grab like random sticks off of the ground. And don't worry though, by the end of we will release this at the end of the video.
Yeah. Now Ryan, now it's time to introduce the snake and all the stuff in there into their new environment.
We need to make sure that's in the place.
And I'll take the tadpoles.
It is now in its new environment.
Happy with something now.
We'll move it into the sunlight. Let's move part of it into the sunlight.
He's trying it! He's trying to get out!
No, Slimmy. He can't even get on there because there's so many sticks.
Yeah, it's fine. He can go between them.
Fine, it's fine. It's fine. In there. He's in
It
there.
is exploring its tiny little environment.
How is the passport? With the passport.
I didn't know.
Move, Emmy.
Ryan, go catch it more stuff.
Look! It's going up! Going up!
Wow. He's going to see what's up there.
Sweet top.
It's like, oh, a wall. I can climb it. Just right there. Okay, the snake is...
Tadpole snakey. You went
The
after the
snake
mother.
is exploring the wall. It definitely wants to get out, so we're going to release it soon.
Whoa, snap the tail.
It also is exploring its new environment.
The snake is all skin. I can see his body. No, it's not his body. That's skin.
It has lots of areas it can sneak around under.
I got that, my mom. That's skin. What snake? That's iron. I think. Can you put
We should just let him
the
do it.
snake out here?
No.
No, it's here. Papa, you put them on. Look at the stairs. See? What snake? See? Like that. Look, in there. Hey, can you go get some more passports?
He has lots of, see, he's about a foot long.
Hey,
Okay, we are going to release him now.
hey, do you want to put him down? Hey, put the snake down.
Releasing time.
Yep, he's right there. Yep, we just put him in the water.